Today we're doing planes. Today we're doing plane spotting. The first one is right above us. Right over there. Nice. I think that's a Delta. I do not know. Still kind of cool. Really cool. Okay. Time to zoom out. I'm at right here that I have at home. It's really really comfortable. I love it. I will also do pictures and all of that. It will be super fun. So, if we hear another plane, we're gonna try to zoom in and find it. Let's go. Guy. Super blue. I think I hear one. Zoom. I hear one. Do you guys hear that? Do you guys hear that? Yo, it's right there. It's right there. There we go. I think it's a Delta. Boy, I can't. There it is. I think it's a Delta. I can't even see it. The camera. It's right over there, look. Nice. I think that was the Asiana Airlines. I do not know. Still kind of cool though. We spotted 2 planes. Nice. So it's time to wait. We're waiting for another plane to pass. Okay. So here's another one. It's gonna be really cool. You're gonna love it. Hey. I'm gonna try to. Oh, look, birds. You guys can't see them because they're super. No. I'm gonna zoom it out a lot. Never mind, I'm not going to. Did I hear that? Wait. I hear a propeller plane. Oh, hear one. Hear a propeller. Hear a propeller, but I don't see the propeller plane. Where is it? Where is it? I don't see it. I hear it, but I don't see it. What? It's not fair. They're asking if Nathan passes us. Oh, I hear one. Oh, there it is. It's right over there. Right there. I'm shaking it. I don't know why it's shaking. I don't know why it's shaking the camera. It's really nice. I think it's in Alaska. Alaska Airlines, I think. Okay, now we've spotted 2 planes. Very nice. Super cool. One time I spotted, not in a video. One time I spotted a 747, A340, A380. I don't know. I think it was an A340 because I didn't see 2 floors. I think it was an A340. Might be A340, 747. I think. Wait. It was a. I hear one. Yep, it's coming. It's coming. Oh, where is it? Ooh, it's right over there. It's right. It's right over there. Yeah, it's right over there. What was that? I can't see it. Couldn't see it. I wish I could see like an A340 or 747 or something, or A380. I mean 747, not 737. I wish I could see a 747. Well, I'm done with the video. 4 planes spotted. It's kind of nice. We'll see you in the next time. I will see you next time. Peace.